Hello friends, hi! My name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you didn't know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. Today I wanted to go ahead and try to recreate my living doll everyday makeup. If you guys are new to this channel and you haven't watched any of my old content, I think it was like 2014, 15, maybe even 16, I was kind of in this living doll phase. I like wore circle lenses all the time and really big eye makeup and super dolly-like clothes with like bow ties and like schoolgirl uniforms and things like that, and I will pop up some pictures here. Honestly, I'm still kind of obsessed with the look. It's a cute look, though I'm not necessarily like that style anymore. I do wear Lolita. Know that Lolitas and living dolls are two entirely different things, but living dolls can wear Lolita if they want. I figured like, okay, well I'm into Lolita, I still do like a dolly makeup look. I want to like take it to the next level and basically recreate a living doll sort of makeup transformation video, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Let's see what this living doll looks like now. If you're interested, keep on watching. Before applying any makeup, if you are using any type of contact lens or circle lens, you want to insert them before any of the makeup. I got this Pony Palette one-day circle lenses in Japan. I haven't even tried these on. These ones I got are silver, which is really close to my natural eye color. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on off camera because I cannot do it on camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so lenses are on. This is what they look like. Before I start any makeup, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this adorable bow plop. Meow. Adorable. All right, before I put on any primer or anything, I like to use this Urban Decay B6 spray. It just moisturizes your face, and it is a vitamin-infused complexion prep priming spray. Close your eyes, give it a spritz. I barely have any left. I usually use a selection of primers because I have combination skin. Each part of my face needs a different type of primer. On my T-zone and in areas that have a lot of large pores, I use this Milk Makeup. I forgot what it's called, but it's the one that looks like this. And I just go ahead and I erase my pores with these. Using a lot of pore filling primers is gonna really give you that dull, like porcelain skin. So opt for pore filling, flawless base makeup primers. And then I'm using this Blur Pong Pure Milk Blur by Petit Pirat. I got this in Japan. I just use it on the rest of my face. It doesn't seem to do a whole lot, but it gives you SPF, so. Now I'm gonna use one last primer. This is the Prima Vista Long Keep Base UV by Sofina. I also got this in Japan. This is really good for oily skin. I'm just gonna squirt a tiny bit in my hands and put this over my T-zone. Okay, now it is time for foundation. I actually went out and bought a foundation because I just haven't been using foundation anytime recently. So I got this NYX Total Control Drops, and I'm using the color Porcelain because I'm pale. Beauty gurus will like do this like awesome freaking drippity drop thing, but I am so scared to get that on me. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it on my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna put it on my face. Is this a good color for me? I can't tell. Don't forget that when you're blending makeup around your eyes, be very gentle, because if you're wearing circle lenses, you don't want to move around the lens on your eye because that could cause scratches. So be very gentle when blending makeup on your eyes when you're having circle lenses in. And when your headband is inevitably falling out, you can opt for these hair velcros if you have them. That will keep your bangs back. Okay. Next, I'm gonna move on to concealer. This is Tarte Shape Tape. My color is Fair Beige, and I'm gonna put this very religiously around my eyes and on any shadows that I don't want. You can follow this on your sides of your mouth, the under eyes, the middle of your brows, and your chin to kind of highlight those areas. Okay, our base makeup is on. Now before I go on to any contouring, I'm going to put a layer of Urban Decay De-Slick Spray or any type of primer spray that you have, just so that the base doesn't move around while I am using any creams. While that setting spray is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I just have a spoolie. I like to brush them up And I'm taking any eyebrow product that I'm using at the moment, and right now I'm using this NYX eyebrow powder. I'm using the lighter shade. I'm gonna go ahead and start at the beginning of my brow. I like to extend the beginning of my brow a little bit closer together because the closer your brows are together, the slimmer your nose will look. And now I'm just gonna take the darker shade and fill in the tail of my brow. I'm going for a straight brow look because I think it looks very cute and innocent and youthful. Now I'm gonna brush them out with the spoolie again. Now with a little bit of concealer and a tiny little concealer brush, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up some of the edges. Now I'm gonna take Glossier's Brow Flick in brown and I'm gonna go ahead and draw some eyebrow hairs. All right, and now I'm gonna use Glossier's Boy Brow and I'll gel up just the front. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my favorite cream contour sticks. I'm gonna contour my nose to be a tiny little button nose like this. And I'm gonna contour my jawline as well. Just like that. Putting contour right here below your eyebrows, connecting to the bridge of your nose, will make it so your eyes look super, super deep set. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes and the rest of my face with translucent powder. Now choose a super duper pinky blush and apply lots of it. I like to put it very high up on my cheeks, kind of towards my eyes, because I think it gives a very good and cute dolly effect. And now I'm gonna also put some on my nose. I'm gonna take a very subtle kind of nudish highlight and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the high points of my face. Okay, so now that the skin makeup is done, I'm gonna go ahead and release the bangs. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get into eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade Heaven all the way up at the top just to give my eyes a wash of color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade Limit from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. This is kind of like a warm medium brown, and we're gonna use this to make some eye contours and warm shading. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take any sort of like medium brown shimmery shade and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and take a powder contour and I'm gonna go and create Namida Bukuro or Egyo Cell. That's the cute puffy eye bags underneath your eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take any very shimmery white highlight and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes and right on the Namida Bukuro or eye bag that we just created. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same contour shade and I'm gonna try to draw a little bit of a lower waterline. Okay, eyeshadow is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on eyeliner and falsies and all of that. But before I go on to do that, I like to start plumping my lips with some lip plumper. I have, in my opinion, the best lip plumper I've ever used, and it is Too Faced Lip Injection. And you do not need a lot, so I just kind of take what's on the brush and I go ahead and go over my lips with it. While my lips are plumping, I'm gonna go ahead and start with eyeliner. I'm using my favorite black Dolly Wink pen eyeliner. I've been using this stuff for years, ever since I first discovered it in my living doll phase, and it continues to be pretty much my favorite eyeliner ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a very dramatic and droopy wing. This is kind of like my signature eyeliner style. I call it the teardrop shape wing. If you guys want a more detailed tutorial on that, sound off in the comments below and let me know. Maybe I can do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a nude eyeliner on the waterline and kind of fill in the area between my real waterline and my fake waterline and kind of blend those two together. All right, now it's time for lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply a waterproof mascara. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. These are Dolly Wink lashes in the style Pure Sweet. Anybody remember these? I do. I still have them. All right, false lashes are on, and now I'm gonna go even further and put on some bottom lashes. These ones are also Dolly Wink, and these ones are called Number 27 Brown Girl. one last detail on the eyes is I'm going to extend my inner corner and just make like a tiny little mini wing in there to really give that teardrop dolly eye effect. All right, now it's time to wipe off this lip plumper and we are gonna get started on the lips. Okay, so first I'm going to overdraw my lips with a lip liner that is really close to your natural lip shade. It's NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Stockholm. Now I'm actually gonna go ahead and smudge out that line, but I'm going to actually use this lip smudger that I have from Real Techniques. I'm going to soften that lip line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a lip tint. This one is Airy Ink Velvet by Petit Para, and I don't know the color name, but it's this one. And then next I'm going to put a tiny bit of red lip tint in the middle of my lips to create a gradient effect. I just went ahead and added a tiny bit of lip gloss to the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my look off with some setting spray. Alright, and with that, this look is complete. Wow, this brings back a lot of memories. I still really love dolly kawaii style, so I feel like I would totally give this style out and give it another go. Yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more future content. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you would try out this look. Are you also a fan of the dolly Jemma Kuma 2.0. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!